time of technology and electronics, people still love creating with their hands. That's why we created the Airwood drone. It's an easy-to-assemble wooden drone that brings the joy of building an ancient Chinese craftsmanship to all ages. An exceptionally performing drone that's easy to build, fly, and fix. No overpriced plastic here. The Airwood drone features a laser-cut frame made completely of high-quality linden wood, coupled with ready-to-fly electronic components. It's easy to assemble, has modular pieces that you can put together without any tools, and everything you need is right in the box. Its environmentally friendly wooden design is lightweight yet durable, and it even features customizable designs and add-on modules that allow you to personalize your drone just for you. It's a simple, easy-to-use platform that is not only a joy to build, but also fly anywhere. Super handy features like the latest 6-axis flight control system, hover lock, one-key return, and the small, lightweight airframe make indoor and outdoor flying a breeze. Airwood goes together with your hands and a little creativity, because we want everyone of all ages to have an unforgettable time building, flying, and creating with drones. So go get building and let's see what you create.